Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial and increasingly relevant area of the law, environmental law. As the world grapples with climate change, pollution, and the depletion of natural resources, understanding environmental law has never been more important. In this video, we'll cover what environmental law is, how it works, why it's so important, and more. So let's get started. What is environmental law? Environmental law is a broad field of law that regulates the interaction between human activities and the natural environment. It encompasses a wide range of legal principles, policies, and regulations designed to protect the environment, conserve natural resources, and ensure public health and safety. These laws can be international, national, or local, and they address issues like air and water pollution, waste management, climate change, biodiversity, and land use. The purpose of environmental law is to balance the needs of human development with the necessity of preserving the environment for future generations. It seeks to prevent harm to the environment by setting limits on pollution, promoting sustainable development, and holding individuals and corporations accountable for their environmental impact. How does environmental law work? Environmental law operates through a combination of regulations, enforcement mechanisms, and legal actions. Governments at various levels, international, federal, state, and local, create and enforce environmental laws. These laws are often implemented by agencies such as the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, in the United States, which monitors compliance, enforces regulations, and takes legal action against violators. Environmental laws can take the form of 1. Command and control regulations. These are laws that set specific limits or standards for pollution levels, such as the Clean Air Act and the Clean Water Act in the U.S. 2. Market-based approaches. These include mechanisms like carbon trading, where companies can buy and sell allowances for emissions under a cap set by the government. 3. Public participation and transparency laws. These laws, like the Freedom of Information Act, allow the public to access information about environmental issues and hold decision-makers accountable. 4. Environmental litigation. Individuals, communities, or organizations can bring lawsuits against companies or government entities that violate environmental laws. This can lead to penalties, cleanup orders, or compensation for damages. Why is environmental law important? Environmental law is essential for several reasons. 1. Protecting public health. By regulating pollutants and hazardous substances, environmental law helps reduce the risk of diseases and health problems caused by environmental factors. 2. Conserving natural resources. These laws ensure that natural resources like water, forests, and minerals are used sustainably, preventing their depletion and ensuring they are available for future generations. 3. Combating climate change. Environmental law plays a critical role in reducing greenhouse gas emissions and promoting renewable energy sources, which are vital in the fight against climate change. 4. Preserving biodiversity. Laws like the Endangered Species Act protect plants and animals at risk of extinction, ensuring the survival of diverse species. 5. Promoting environmental justice. Environmental law also addresses the inequitable distribution of environmental benefits and burdens, often focusing on protecting marginalized communities that are disproportionately affected by pollution and environmental degradation. Examples of rights guaranteed by environmental law. Environmental law guarantees several rights that help individuals and communities protect their environment and health. Some of these rights include 1. The right to a healthy environment. Many countries recognize this as a fundamental human right, ensuring that citizens have access to clean air, water, and land. 2. The right to information. Environmental laws often guarantee the public's right to access information about environmental issues, government decisions, and the potential impacts of development projects. 3. The right to participate in decision-making. Citizens have the right to be involved in environmental decision-making processes, including public hearings, consultations, and the ability to submit comments on proposed regulations or projects. 4. The right to access justice. Environmental law provides mechanisms for individuals and communities to challenge decisions or actions that harm the environment, ensuring that their concerns are heard and addressed. job opportunities in environmental law, and national average salaries. Environmental law offers a wide range of career opportunities, each with its own set of responsibilities and potential salaries. Some of the common job types include 1. Environmental lawyer. These professionals specialize in cases involving environmental issues, representing clients in lawsuits, advising on compliance, and drafting regulations. The national average salary for an environmental lawyer is around $120,000 per year. 2. Environmental consultant. Environmental consultants provide advice to businesses and governments on environmental policies and compliance. They conduct assessments, help manage projects, and ensure that organizations meet legal requirements. The national average salary is approximately $70,000 per year. 3. Environmental policy analyst. These analysts work with government agencies, NGOs, or think tanks to develop and analyze environmental policies. They research environmental issues, draft policy proposals, and evaluate the effectiveness of regulations. The national average salary is about $65,000 per year. 4. Environmental engineer. Environmental engineers use engineering principles to develop solutions to environmental problems. They work on projects like waste management, water treatment, and pollution control. The national average salary for an environmental engineer is around $90,000 per year. 5. Environmental educator. Educators in this field work in schools, nonprofits, or government agencies to teach people about environmental issues and sustainability practices. The national average salary for an environmental educator is about $50,000 per year. 6. Environmental scientist. Environmental scientists conduct research to identify, control, and eliminate sources of pollutants. They work in various sectors, including government, academia, and private industry. The national average salary is around $75,000 per year. Skills required for people in environmental law. Working in environmental law requires a diverse set of skills, including 1. Legal knowledge. A strong understanding of environmental laws, regulations, and policies is essential. This includes knowledge of both domestic and international environmental law. 2. Analytical skills. Professionals need to analyze complex legal issues, assess environmental impacts, and interpret scientific data. 3. Communication skills. Whether drafting legal documents, presenting cases in court, or conducting public consultations, clear and effective communication is crucial. 4. Problem-solving skills. Environmental law professionals often face complex and challenging issues that require innovative solutions. 5. Research skills. The ability to conduct thorough legal and scientific research is key to developing sound legal arguments and policy proposals. 6. Negotiation skills. Negotiation is often a critical part of the job, whether it's mediating disputes, negotiating settlements, or working on policy agreements. 7. Ethical awareness. A commitment to ethical practice and sustainability is vital in this field, as professionals often deal with issues that have significant implications for public health and the environment. Conclusion. Environmental law is a dynamic and impactful field that plays a critical role in protecting our planet and ensuring a sustainable future. Whether you're interested in pursuing a career in this area or simply want to understand the legal frameworks that protect our environment, there's no doubt that environmental law is more important now than ever before. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on law and related topics. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to learn about next. Until then, stay informed and take care of our environment.